Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a layer in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Now we can see here some layer. You want to remove any layer, select the layer. Otherwise, you want to enable this layer, go to the window menu and select this layer option. We can see here already enable this. Now I am select the layer, then click right button and we can see here the delete option. You want to remove this, select this delete option. Now we can see we remove the layer easily. You can remove another layer, apply this same process. Now we can see we remove any layer in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.